Have you ever wondered what could ruin your golden years after 70? In this video, we reveal 5 shocking pitfalls to avoid and show you how to make the most of this vibrant chapter. Watch till the end for crucial tips that will help you stay healthy, active, and happy. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video, you can help me continue to spread the old age lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now let's get started. 1. Stop exercising. Imagine a life without movement, a river that has ceased its flow, its waters becoming stagnant, murky, and lifeless. This vivid image mirrors the impact that abandoning physical exercise can have on our bodies and minds. Just as a river needs a continuous flow to remain healthy and vibrant, our bodies require regular movement to flourish, especially as we age. Ceasing to exercise is one of the gravest mistakes one can make later in life. The benefits of maintaining an active lifestyle are not only profound but also far-reaching, particularly after the age of 70. Exercise is not merely a means of staying fit, it is a cornerstone of a vibrant, fulfilling life. Envision yourself awakening each morning with renewed vigor, feeling as though you have been rejuvenated by a burst of youthful energy. This remarkable transformation is well within reach, thanks to the powerful benefits of regular physical activity. Exercise provides a multitude of advantages that extend beyond mere physical health. It has a significant impact on mood, mental clarity, and overall quality of life. Engaging in activities such as swimming, yoga, walking, or aerobics is not only gentle on the joints and muscles but also remarkably effective in enhancing overall well-being. For instance, swimming offers a comprehensive full-body workout that is easy on the joints, making it an excellent choice for those with joint concerns. Yoga, on the other hand, enhances flexibility, balance, and mental relaxation, helping to foster a sense of calm and well-being. Walking is a simple yet powerful way to improve cardiovascular health and increase endurance. Aerobics, with its dynamic movements, can significantly boost strength and stamina. The key to maintaining an active lifestyle is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy and that align with your physical capabilities. Incorporating movement into your daily routine doesn't need to be strenuous or time-consuming. It can be as simple as taking a brisk walk in the park, joining a local exercise class, or practicing gentle stretches at home. The most important aspect is to stay consistent and make exercise a regular part of your life. By keeping your body active, you are investing in your health and well-being, allowing yourself to reap the full spectrum of benefits that come with an engaged and lively lifestyle. Exercise is more than just a physical activity, it is a pathway to a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Embrace it wholeheartedly and witness how it transforms your days into a celebration of health and vitality. 2. Become isolated. Envision a tranquil park as the sun begins its descent, painting the sky with a tapestry of vibrant oranges and soft pinks. The fading light casts a gentle golden hue over the scene, creating a serene and almost ethereal atmosphere. While the park's calmness exudes a sense of peace, beneath this tranquility lies a profound solitude that can be deeply disquieting. This image is a poignant metaphor for loneliness, a significant challenge that can overshadow the happiness of older adults. Loneliness often begins to take hold when you find yourself alone more frequently than desired, particularly after the loss of longtime friends or drifting apart from those who once held a special place in your life. The emotional weight of such isolation can be heavy, leading to a profound sense of sadness, and in some instances contributing to serious physical health concerns. Studies have shown that persistent loneliness is linked to an increased risk of developing severe health conditions, including cardiovascular disease, depression, and cognitive decline. Yet, amidst this challenge, there is a beacon of hope: meaningful friendships. Cultivating and maintaining relationships is crucial for keeping both your mind engaged and your spirits uplifted. Friends offer more than just companionship, they bring joy, emotional support, and a vital sense of belonging. They help build a social network that provides comfort, laughter, and a respite from life's difficulties. The idea of making new friends as an older adult might seem intimidating, especially if you've undergone significant life changes or find yourself in unfamiliar social environments. However, it's important to recognize that forming new connections is not only feasible but can also be incredibly fulfilling. By engaging in activities that spark your interest, joining local community groups, or participating in volunteer work, you can create opportunities to meet new people. The key lies in maintaining an open and proactive attitude towards seeking and nurturing these connections. Investing effort into sustaining existing relationships and developing new ones can profoundly enhance your overall well-being. Friendships enrich your life, provide a sense of purpose, and offer continuity amid change. Embrace the possibilities that lie in building and nurturing meaningful connections, knowing that these efforts can bring a renewed sense of joy and belonging, no matter where you find yourself in life's journey. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 3. Neglect your brain health. One of the most critical errors you can make is underestimating the significance of maintaining your brain health, especially as you grow older. It's a prevalent but mistaken belief that after decades of demanding work and mental strain, your brain has earned a break. This mindset, however, can quickly lead to dissatisfaction and cognitive decline, undermining the quality of your life. Keeping your mind active and engaged is essential for preserving a high quality of life. Just as your body requires regular physical exercise to stay in peak condition, your brain needs ongoing stimulation and mental challenges to function optimally. Neglecting these mental exercises can have severe consequences, including diminished cognitive abilities, memory issues, and a general decline in your sense of well-being. Just as you wouldn't cease all physical activity, abandoning mental workouts can result in a significant drop in your cognitive health. In addition to mental exercise, managing your cholesterol levels is crucial for maintaining overall health. Elevated cholesterol is a known risk factor for heart disease and stroke conditions that become more pressing as you age. To keep your cholesterol levels in a healthy range, it's essential to follow a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while steering clear of saturated and trans fats. Regular cholesterol screenings are also vital for staying informed about your heart health and making proactive adjustments as needed. To foster your brain's health, engage in activities that provide mental stimulation and challenge. Reading a wide range of books, exploring new hobbies, and enrolling in courses that spark your interest can all contribute to cognitive vitality. Activities that involve problem-solving or creative thinking are particularly beneficial. For example, learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or engaging in brain-teasing puzzles can help keep your mind sharp and agile. Integrating these practices into your daily routine not only supports cognitive health but also enriches your life. By making both your physical and mental well-being a priority, you can safeguard your health and continue to embrace the opportunities and joys of life as you age. This holistic approach ensures that you remain vibrant and engaged, enhancing your overall quality of life. 4. Eat unhealthily. You've probably heard the adage, use it or lose it, and this principle is particularly pertinent when it comes to our physical well-being. Just as regular exercise is essential for preserving muscle strength and overall fitness, the food we eat plays a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. Our dietary choices profoundly influence how we feel now and how we will feel in the future. Consuming a diet high in fatty foods, sugary snacks, excessive alcohol, large amounts of caffeine, and heavy dairy products can be especially harmful as we age. These dietary habits can trigger a series of health problems, including weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, and other conditions that not only leave you feeling sluggish but can also diminish your zest for life. The negative impact of an unhealthy diet extends far beyond temporary discomfort. Foods that are rich in saturated fats and sugars can increase the risk of obesity, which in turn heightens the chances of developing heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to liver damage, cognitive impairment, and a weakened immune system. High levels of caffeine consumption may contribute to heightened anxiety and disturb your sleep patterns, which in turn affects your overall mood and energy levels. Heavy dairy products, especially those high in fat, can put additional strain on your digestive system and exacerbate issues such as lactose intolerance, a condition that tends to become more prevalent with age. The encouraging news is that you have the power to reverse these effects by making healthier dietary choices. By embracing a balanced diet, you can substantially enhance your quality of life and overall well-being. Eating healthfully involves making deliberate and mindful choices to include a diverse array of nutritious foods in your meals. Aim to fill your plate with a rich variety of fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help shield your body from disease. Incorporating lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes is vital for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Opting for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat can offer sustained energy and assist in regulating blood sugar levels. Beyond these key components, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water and limiting your intake of processed foods can further bolster your health. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and ensuring that all systems are operating optimally. Reducing processed foods can help minimize your consumption of harmful additives and excess sodium, which are often linked to high blood pressure and other health complications. Adopting a balanced diet doesn't mean you have to give up on enjoying your meals. There are myriad ways to prepare delicious and nutritious dishes that not only satisfy your taste buds but also support your health objectives. Explore new recipes, try different cuisines, and find pleasure in discovering healthier alternatives to your favorite indulgent foods. By making these positive dietary changes, you're not only investing in a healthier future but also creating a life filled with vitality, joy, and the ability to fully embrace and enjoy the experiences that matter most to you. 5. Dwell on the past. Allowing yourself to become consumed by past regrets or missed opportunities can significantly drain the joy and vitality from your present life. Imagine trying to drive forward while your attention remains fixed on the rearview mirror. Such a constant backward glance would inevitably lead to an accident. In the same way, being overly preoccupied with what could have been can obscure the beauty and potential that lie ahead. Consider your life as a book with numerous chapters, each filled with its own experiences and possibilities. Just because you find yourself in a new chapter doesn't mean the story is over, or that the most meaningful parts have already passed. Many successful and content seniors find that their later years offer a renewed sense of purpose and excitement. They often discover new avenues for joy and fulfillment that may not have been apparent earlier in their lives. There are countless ways to create rich and enjoyable experiences in the present. For instance, volunteering at a local community center can provide a sense of connection and purpose while making a positive impact on others. Participating in church activities might offer spiritual enrichment and a sense of belonging. Perhaps there are hobbies you've always been curious about but never had the chance to pursue, whether it's painting, gardening, or learning to play a musical instrument. Now could be the perfect time to explore these interests. Maintaining an active lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, and fostering a positive outlook are all crucial elements in making your 70s some of the most fulfilling years of your life. Engaging with your community, exploring new interests, and welcoming change can transform this stage of life into one of growth and discovery. Remember, it is never too late to start a new chapter. By focusing on the present and approaching the future with optimism, you can cultivate a life filled with joy, health, and fulfillment. Embrace each new day as a chance to craft a vibrant and meaningful story, regardless of where you are in the book of your life. We've covered 5 crucial factors that can impact your happiness and well-being after 70. So what have you learned from this video? Comment below with one thing you've learned and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. If you like this video, please leave your comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable content.